Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm so happy that we have more than 100k subscribers already on my channel. Thank you for all the feedbacks that you have given me, all the encouragements, all the nice comments about the projects that I have showed you in the past 4 years. And this is a special day because today I have just received this one, so we're going to unbox this. There, and then there's a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was expected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. And also there's a letter there, and of course this one there. Again, thank you so much, YouTube, for this award, and I'm so glad that we have reached 100k subscribers, and I hope to continue sharing with you all the knowledge that I have in crocheting, and hopefully I'll be able to share more in the future. So thank you so much, and this is one of the greatest accomplishments ever. So thank you so much.